If your PC flashes 0xc00007b and refuses to cooperate, you're not alone. If frustration is your new hobby, it's time for a change. Here's how to get things working again. First, head to your control panel, click Programs, then Programs and Features. Uninstall all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages you see. Now, restart your computer. Next, grab the latest Visual C++ packages, both 32 and 64-bit, straight from Microsoft's website. Install them and restart again. Still seeing the error? Make sure your Net framework is up to date or use Microsoft's repair tool. Update DirectX from the official site too. Extra tips: try running your app as administrator, reinstall the app, run sfc as scanout in command prompt, and check your disk for errors. Also, update your drivers and revert any overclocking or XMP settings. That's it. Follow these steps, and that 0xc00007b error should be history. Stay confident. You've got this.